once counted raindrops on my window pane. I once counted leaves as they fell away. But love's footprints fade beyond my sight. We held on gently, day and night. I once heard the ocean breathe so deep. I once heard the cuckoo softly weep. But love's whisper slipped away from me. In joy we stay, in dreams still we. I once sensed the scent of flowing streams. I once followed where the white clouds lean. But love's true meaning I couldn't see. Together we stayed, then parted quietly. In meeting and parting, we still remain. In leaving, our hearts feel the same. The past has passed, let it go. The future waits, still warm, still slow. Don't rush the heart in fear or pain. Let it breathe, let it remain. Change the scene, turn the page silently. Love stays the same.